This is how to withdraw from Trust Wallet to your bank account. This is my Trust Wallet app. I'll be transferring this money to my local bank account. Whenever you are on any wallet, especially the EVM wallet, that is Ethereum Virtual Machines compliance wallets, you'll be required to pay charges when you are transferring funds out of those wallets. So in this case now, there will be charges, and the charges will always be taken by the network you are using. When you are trying to transfer money from your decentralized wallet like Trust Wallet, ensure that the crypto you are holding or you can swap to is a native token of that network. Like now, the token I'm holding here is BNB, which is a native token of BNB Smart Chain network. Since I'm transferring this money now, the charges that will be taken, it will be part of the BNB that I'm transferring. So for me to transfer this money to my bank account in my country, that implies that I want to sell my BNB, this BNB that I'm holding, which is $8.80. To make it very fast for me, I cannot sell directly on Trust Wallet. So what I'm going to do is to send this token to an exchange that will make me sell very fast. For me to send this token to another exchange, I'll just tap this token. I will tap here. I will tap send. Don't forget I'm sending BNB. So I'll go to that exchange to go and pick the destination wallet address. The best exchange that will make me sell with good rate for my region is Bybit, as at the time of this video, and it's highly recommended. To receive that BNB from Trust Wallet to my Bybit account, I will tap deposit crypto. You know my crypto is BNB. I will tap BNB. I will select Binance Smart Chain network. This is my BNB wallet address on Bybit, and you can also use the QR code to snap with your phone. So you consider the minimum deposit that you can do. You tap this place to copy your wallet. It has been copied successfully. So you take this wallet address, you go back to Trust Wallet. I'm back to Trust Wallet. I will tap here to paste the wallet address from Bybit. This is where you key in the amount you want to withdraw. I want to withdraw all the BNB. I will tap the amount I want to withdraw. Look at the amount that will go to my Bybit account. So I will tap next. You can see this is the amount I'm going to get on my Bybit account. This is my Trust Wallet address. It's going to my Bybit account. The network I'm using is Binance Smart Chain network. This is the fee that is going to take. If you are okay with all this, you just come down here to confirm. You validate the transaction by inputting your security code. You can see it's processing. You can see sent. This amount is sent to Bybit. To view the transaction, you can see there is no money again in my Trust Wallet. It's now zeroized. So you go to Bybit to go and check your money. You can see the money is now in my Bybit account. To know the actual amount that came into Bybit, you come to this place, asset. You can see the money came into my funding account, but to know the actual asset, you tap on asset. You can see BNB token. Since this money is going to my bank account, I will come to this place. I will convert. You select this place. You convert to USDT. It's converting now. You approve it. It has been converted to USDT. Because it is USDT that will be easy for you to transfer to your bank account on Bybit. That is why I did the conversion. So you view the asset. So for me to transfer this money to my bank account now, I'll just tap P2P trading. Watch this video. It's going to walk through step by step on how you can transfer your money to your bank account from Bybit. You now know how to transfer your money to your local bank account from Trust Wallet. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment. I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.